He rode the elevator alone, late at night, in the silent corporate tower. The fluorescent lights flickered overhead, casting long shadows that seemed to stretch and twist. He pressed the button for the 14th floor. The button, cold beneath his fingertip, seemed to hum with a strange energy. Then, softly, impossibly, it whispered his name. He froze, heart pounding. The doors slid shut. The numbers above flickered erratically, counting up, then down, then up again. The elevator wasn't stopping. The hum grew louder, a chorus of faint voices, muttering, pleading, repeating his name over and over. His reflection in the brushed metal walls seemed to shift, eyes slightly out of sync, lips moving without sound. Panic surged as he jabbed at the emergency button. Nothing happened. The elevator halted on a floor that didn't exist. Floor 13, unmarked, never listed in the building's plans. The doors slid open. Darkness waited beyond, thick and pulsing, as if breathing. He stepped back, but the voices whispered, "Come home." Would you step out or stay inside with the whispers? Reality might not reload. Welcome to Glitchverse. Follow and subscribe for more content.